Hi, this is Dansoy, aka Batman in the Kitchen, bringing you another quick recipe where we both learn and take this journey together. We cook new meals together and learn new things. Today is a quick carrot and bok choy stir fry with teriyaki and ginger. So we're going to use the pot today with the cover, my mother's famous pot. We got ginger, garlic, teriyaki, we have carrot, and we have bok choy. So we're just going to put that in there, and should take 10 minutes or less. Then we're going to use our cutting board, and first we're going to just do the carrots. So be back. Alright, so we're going to put 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. It's high heat and it leaves food at its natural taste. So we're going to do that. We're going to coat this pan with the olive oil. Not with the olive oil, the avocado oil, sorry. Blooper, YouTube. Then we're going to throw the carrots in there. I cut the carrots on a wedge slice. So it's going to take 4 or 5 minutes to cook them in this pan. Alright, so we have our pan coated. So next we're going to take our carrots. I already cut these up and we're going to throw it in there. And it's going to take like 4 or 5 minutes to cook this. So we're going to put this on medium heat and cover it, and we're going to watch it for a good 4 or 5 minutes. Be back. Facebook and YouTube. Alright, my fellow YouTubers. I'm continuing to cook the carrots. You can see the sizzle. Like, avocado oil is really good to cook with, because like I said, it's high heat, and it really doesn't change the flavor of your food. So like with these carrots, you want to just cook them till they're soft. And once they're cooked a little bit, we're going to add the garlic, because we don't want to overcook that. And then that's when we'll throw in the scallion and bok choy and the teriyaki and ginger. And it all come together. But it really doesn't take long. This thing is actually 10 minutes or less. And it's really healthy. And if you really don't want to eat it right now, you could just bag it up, put it in your refrigerator, or you could freeze it. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, depending on your stove and everything, like I said, it could be anywhere from 4 to 5 minutes, maybe even 6. Like right now, I'm going to actually hold off on the garlic. This is the thing about live recording. I'm just going to throw in the white and green scallion. I'm going to let that go for a couple minutes. Not for a couple minutes, for like a minute. And just see the condition of the carrots. And then after that, we can throw the garlic in and the bok choy, and then all the seasonings, and then we're done. Actually, I wish YouTube had smell-o-vision. I'll never forget when I used to watch Emerald when I was growing up. He used to say smell-o-vision. It'd be a great thing, because the smell of this right now is unbelievable, the aroma. But like I said, we're on this journey together. I'm learning and you're learning. I don't know everything, and I can learn from you. And like I said, this is our journey together. I never made this before, and most of my meals are new to me. So each meal I cook for you in YouTube is new to me. So I'm learning and you're learning. Thanks for taking this journey with me. Alright, so that's been cooking down. We're going to throw the ginger in. And you can hear that snap. So we're just going to mix that all together. And we're almost there. Alright, so we're letting that simmer on low. Now we're going to throw the garlic in there. And the last steps is the bok choy and the teriyaki. Alright, so we're back. I have the bok choy. It's all cut up. And you can tell, well, see? It just steamed the camera up. Live recording. So the thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put in this teriyaki. So just take that and mix it all together. And then the thing you're going to want to do is just throw that bok choy in there. Stir it up a bit. And now we're going to just let this all cook down for like 1 or 2 minutes. And like we know, everything's based on your stove and the setting. So we want this on medium. And we're going to cover this. We're going to cover this and we're going to just let it cook for like 2 minutes. So be back. Alright, so the bok choy cooked down like spinach usually does. So if you're cooking for a lot of people, just make sure you like double the ingredients. I'll put everything in the description. And with my cooking, you never have to go to a website or another external site to get the recipe. It'll be right in the YouTube description. So we're basically almost done. Be back in a couple minutes. Alright, so we're basically done with that. You can see the bok choy and carrots and the garlic and ginger. Now we're going to just put it onto our plate and we're done. Like this took a couple steps to explain and like longer to video it, but usually I think you could really make this in 7 minutes or less. Alright, so YouTube and Facebook, we're done. That's your bok choy and carrot stir fry with ginger and teriyaki. So, like anything else, you can modify this, up ingredients, decrease ingredients. It's all up to you. But that's your bok choy and carrot stir fry. And I just tasted it before and it's really yummy. So thanks for taking this journey with me. I will give you 3 updates a week if everything goes good. So hit the bell and please subscribe. And we'll take this journey together where I make new meals and I learn and you learn too. So thank you very much. Dansoy, Batman in the Kitchen. See you next time.